Hey, good afternoon. We're about to do an attempt to repair Mr. Hook's property over here located in South Fulton. We're gonna try to repair the shingle. As you guys can see, some hail damage here. We got some creases on this piece of shingle, meaning that some wind damage. Gonna try to repair it, see if it's repairable. We'll be documenting this as well, so you guys can see as well. So let's get started. As you can see, we left a lot of mat transfer. It's definitely not repairable. Let's find out the new shingle. Shingle got damaged during the process. It's definitely really hard to get them stock. By sign as well. So let's start with taking the nails out. So the nail right here. This nail. Nail went through. It means it's not good. You guys can see we left a lot of mat transfer right here too. So you see the shingle shingle ripped as well. So showing a few signs that it might not be repairable. Nothing else. Okay, this one came out this week.
looking for more nails. We're actually looking at this one. Okay, we took out all the nails from this side. We're gonna take off the shingle too. Try to lift lift up just enough to take the nails on this area. We do see outside here. Second nail. Okay, we do see another nail. Let's hope it's not. It should come out easily. It's not. Yeah, it did come out easily, meaning that the nails passed through this, but we got the shingle out. So you can see all this mat transfer on the shingle. Definitely not repairable. Let's go ahead and install a new shingle. Okay. Now level up a little bit. Let it straight on the line. Hold it correctly. Okay. I'm gonna proceed forward with installing the new nails. Okay, let's put the first line of nails. Let's go ahead and get over the second one. Should be good. More nails. next to it, since it's a separate shingle. Okay, we should be good now. But yes, you can see the creasing on the top. So let me move out the way. But yeah, you can definitely see the creasing on the top. These both shingles that we had to lift up to take out the nails. I'll slightly pass my hand through the shingle so you guys can see the granular loss on this. So let me start with this one. Yeah, as you guys can see all those granular loss. See that granular loss? I'm slightly passing my hand through the shingle. You see? Right here, definitely showing the creasing. Look at this, the creasing on the shingles. Definitely not repairable. You can see the creasing on this one. I mean, so it's definitely showing that it's not repairable. These attempt to repair front side, so front side attempt to repair. So, thank you.